Styrene, born Marianne Joan Elliott-Said, the 3rd of July 1957 to the 25th of April 2011, was a British singer, songwriter, and musician. She was born in London to a British mother and a Somali father. As a teenager, she was inspired by the growing punk music scene and decided to start her own band. She became famous as the lead singer of the punk rock band X-Ray Spex during the late 1970s punk movement in the United Kingdom. In 1976 she formed X-Ray Spex, which quickly gained attention for its energetic music and bold lyrics. In 1977, Styrene gained fame as the lead singer of X-Ray Spex with their hit song Oh Bondage Up Yours, which became an important song in the punk movement. In 1978, Styrene and X-Ray Spex released their famous album Germfree Adolescents, which became an important punk rock record. In 1979, Styrene left X-Ray Spex as the band broke up, and she began focusing on her solo music and personal life. During this time, Styrene also faced personal challenges and began exploring spirituality. In the 1980s, Styrene released her solo album Translucence and focused on spirituality, becoming involved with the Hare Krishna movement. In 1991, Styrene released the solo album Flower Aeroplane, which reflected her spiritual beliefs and personal experiences. In 2004, Styrene reunited with X-Ray Spex for live performances and returned to the music scene after many years. Styrene had a daughter, Celeste Bell, who later became a musician and filmmaker. Celeste helped keep her mother's legacy alive by creating projects and films about her life. Styrene died on the 25th of April 2011 at the age of 53 in St. Leonards-on-Sea. She passed away after being diagnosed with breast cancer. Styrene enjoyed several creative hobbies besides music. She liked writing poetry and lyrics, exploring fashion with bold and unique styles, and expressing herself through art. Styrene is remembered as an important figure in punk rock and as the powerful voice behind X-Ray Spex. Her music and message continue to inspire artists around the world. Mike.